Hello my lovelies. Well, I'm back in bed. We have got 34 parcels to get through. 34. So in between trying on all the clothes that we're trying on, because we're opening them up on parcels, hence my beautiful one that I'm wearing now, we are also opening parcels. So over the next few weeks there'll be a mixture between doing things, opening parcels, and then trying on the parcels. Yes. So I'm hoping Mr. Producer's going to go and get me a parcel now. Am I keeping the phone? Oh, you put it on a tripod. Woohoo! He's a clever Mr. Producer. Clever Mr. Producer. Clever Mr. Producer. Maybe. He's taking his time though, isn't he? He says he's going to go and get a beer. See you later. Nice of him, innit? It's very nice of him. I wonder if he's coming back. Yeah, he's come back. Yeah, we can open that one. What is it? Don't throw it at me. It looks hard. Oh, it doesn't sound like clothing. Ow! Hit my toe. I have no clue what this is. It's a box. It's a box. What is it? It's not going to explode on me, is it? I like how you step back. Oh, it's a Suncatcher. It's a Suncatcher. Keep the box. I like the box. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Do you think that's pretty? Goes. Turn that way. Goes that way round, look. What's it meant to do? You pop it in your window, and then when the sun shines on it, you get all the colours in your living room. It hangs properly, that is. That one's not going down properly. There we go, done it. There we go. What do we think? So you get rainbows. Rainbows and roses. That is very big to have come out of that box, isn't it? And it's come all the way from China in that box, and it's not smashed. How is it not smashed? How is it not smashed? But yeah, I like that. So there we go. Nice little eBay buy for a couple of £. I haven't got my phone, so I can't tell you all the prices of everything. But yeah. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, find me on my Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk, TikTok, Adel's TV, Cocoscope at Adelesexyuk, and then my OnlyFans, freebie $10 and the VIP Naughty one. And I'll see you all later. Another parcel. Another parcel. Ooh. Doo-doo-doo-doo.